Hello and welcome to English Bites. My name is Alex.
And I'm Jamie. Today we learn 5 common English idioms. Idioms are fun phrases that mean something different than the words say.
Exactly, Jamie. We will learn one idiom's meaning and one example. Ready?
Ready?
Let's start with idiom number 1, break the ice. Jamie, what do you think it means? Think about the words break and ice.
To break real ice?
Not exactly. Break the ice means to make people feel more comfortable in a new social situation. For example, at the start of a meeting or party. You do something to help people relax.
Oh, I see. Can you give an example?
Of course. At the start of the workshop, the teacher told a funny story to break the ice. It means the teacher helped people relax.
That's a useful idiom. Next idiom is piece of cake. This sounds delicious, Alex.
It does, but it means something is very, very easy.
Really? So if my homework is very easy, I can say,
You can say that homework was a piece of cake. For example, the driving test was a piece of cake for her. It means it was no problem, very easy.
I love this idiom. I hope my next test is a piece of cake.
Idiom number 3 is about money. Costs an arm and a leg. Jamie, if something costs an arm and a leg, is it cheap?
No, an arm and a leg are very important, so it must mean very expensive.
Perfect, you got it. It means something is very, very expensive.
Can you give an example?
Sure. Their new car cost an arm and a leg. It means the car was extremely expensive.
I will not buy things that cost an arm and a leg.
The next idiom is about health, under the weather.
Right. If you are under the weather, you are not sick in bed, but you don't feel 100% well. You feel a little sick or tired.
Oh, like a small cold.
Yes, exactly. For example, I'm feeling a bit under the weather today, so I'll work from home.
So it's a polite way to say you are not feeling great.
Perfect.
Our last idiom is great for students, hit the books. Jamie, does it mean to punch your books?
No, I don't think so. Maybe it means to start studying hard?
Excellent, yes. Hit the books means to begin studying seriously. Example, the exam is next week, so I need to hit the books.
So tonight, I will hit the books and learn these idioms.
Let's review quickly. 1. Break the ice, make people relax.
2. Piece of cake, very easy.
3. Costs an arm and a leg, very expensive.
4. Under the weather, feeling a little sick.
And 5. Hit the books, study hard.
Thank you, Alex. This was a piece of cake.
And it didn't cost an arm and a leg to learn. Thanks for listening. Goodbye.
Bye.